Greetings and warm welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much to all the new subscribers who are joining in. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, and thank you to the returning subscribers. So today I'm just going to be showing you a simple vegetable recipe that I prepare for my family, and they have loved it so much. So I said, why not come to the platform and share with you how I prepare this stir-fried vegetable. So I'm just going to tell you the ingredients that I've got. I've got my my cooking pan here. It's ready heated, and there's oil on there, the olive oil. I've got soy sauce, I've got the curry powder, I've got my paprika, I've got my turmeric, I've got some double cream. I'll be using that. And then I have some garlic, carrots, tomatoes, tender broccoli stems. I've got some green pepper, I've got mushroom, I've got my courgettes. Yeah, they're all cut up, and onions on this side here. So I'm going to start first by putting the onions in, because it's already hot. So I'm just going to fry my onions first. Right, now our vegetable is ready. Make sure that as you're leaving it to cook, it only needs like 8 minutes, because all the vegetables are normally very ready in just a few minutes. So don't leave it for too long. So after 8 minutes, just take it off. You can serve it with any accompaniment of your choice. So in this case, I'm gonna serve it with some rice and some chicken. And there we have it. A vegetable, chicken, and rice. Enjoy!